Welcome to our YouTube channel. Ever wondered how to transfer data to your Samsung A14 5G? Well, you're in the right place. Let's talk about data transfer. This process is crucial when you're switching to a new device. Why? Because it ensures that your precious photos, contacts, and apps move with you. And the best part, it's simple enough for anyone to do. So don't worry about losing anything when you upgrade. In the next few minutes, you'll learn how to transfer data to your Samsung A14 5G seamlessly. Before we dive into the process, there are a few things you need to prepare. First off, you'll need a stable Wi-Fi connection. This is crucial because we're dealing with potentially large amounts of data, and we wouldn't want the process interrupted halfway through, would we? Next, you'll need both devices at hand. The source device, from which you're transferring data, and your shiny new Samsung A14 5G, which will be receiving all that precious information. Make sure both devices are fully charged or connected to a power source to prevent any untimely shutdowns. Lastly, the linchpin of the whole operation, the Samsung Smart Switch app. This simple yet powerful tool will be facilitating our data transfer. You'll need to have it installed on both devices, so if you haven't already, go ahead and download it from your respective app store. Now that we're all set, let's move on to the actual process of data transfer. Transferring data to your Samsung A14 5G is straightforward. First off, you'll need to launch the Samsung Smart Switch app on both devices. If you do not have it installed, it's a quick download from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. The Smart Switch app is Samsung's official tool for transferring data, making it a reliable and secure choice. Once the app is up and running on both devices, navigate to the Send Data option on your source device. This could be your old phone or tablet. On your Samsung A14 5G, select the Receive Data option. This tells the devices what roles they'll be playing in this data transfer dance. Now it's time to decide what data you want to transfer. The Smart Switch app allows you to select from a wide variety of data types. From your contacts and messages to your photos and music, you can choose exactly what you want to bring over to your new device. After you've made your selection, all that's left to do is to initiate the transfer. Simply tap Transfer on your source device and then Receive on your Samsung A14 5G. The transfer time will depend on the amount of data you're moving, but rest assured the process is secure and efficient. And there you have it. Your data is now transferred to your Samsung A14 5G. So to recap the process of transferring data to your Samsung A14 5G, it all starts with the preparation phase. Ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection, as this will be the backbone of your data transfer process. Then make sure both your devices are ready. If you're transferring from another smartphone, it should be fully charged and unlocked. Next, you'll need the Samsung Smart Switch app installed on both devices. This application is the magic carpet that will carry your data from one phone to another. Now you're ready for the actual transfer phase. Launch the Samsung Smart Switch app and select Send Data on your old device and Receive Data on your new Samsung A14 5G. Choose the data types you want to transfer and finally initiate the transfer. With these steps, you should be able to transfer data to your Samsung A14 5G with ease. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips.